Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a new Agile board column. Okay, so currently we see that we have Agile board with 3 available columns, and if you expand the options, you see that we could also have 2 more closed and rejected. And if we apply, we see that we have all available columns. But the thing is that if you'd like to just add a new, brand new column, and what are the steps to do this? Okay, so the first thing is that actually the Agile board names here of every column are Redmine statuses, Redmine issue statuses. So you have to just create a new issue status, and this is the trick. This is the magic. So I'm going to show you so it will be easier for you to understand. So we go to administration here on the top right corner, and then issue statuses, and we see the 5 issue statuses that we have. These are the 5 columns of Agile. So we create a new one and we name it, for example, let's say just testing Agile column. That's it. Okay, if you would like to be closed, I mean with closed status, then you could enable this feature. However, we're going to leave it now. Closed means that when you close issue, then there could be different closed statuses, and this is it. It could be part of the closed statuses if you enable this feature. However, in our case, we could just leave it to be a normal status, not with issue closed option here. So we create it. Okay, we are done. However, we should do some more things to make the things work, because we see that we have an exclamation mark here saying that no tracker uses this status in the workflow. And this is correct. We need to set the trackers in the workflow. So we click edit here directly, just to say that this is a shortcut, but if you would like to go without a shortcut, you can go to administration here on the top right corner and then workflow, and this is it. This is the same. Okay, yeah, we see that we have status transition and role set to be reporter. We could put it to be all, the tracker role, and edit. Okay, in the very bottom we see that this is our new Redmine issue status. This configuration here is up to you and in accordance with your needs. However, in our current testing, I'm going to select to be all allowed for all columns and all statuses. Okay. Save the changes, and when we return back here, I mean in the issue statuses, we see that there is no more exclamation mark and no more warnings, because everything is now fine. Okay, so if we return back to now our Agile board and refresh the page, we see that there is still no Agile column. Why is this? It is because we haven't enabled it yet. We have to expand the options again, and here it is, testing Agile column. Enable it and please down and apply afterward. So here it is. This is our new column here. And one important thing is that the order of the statuses here are based on the order that is in the Redmine settings. So if you'd like our column to be the very first, then you have to just drag and drop it here from the last one to be the first one, okay? So if we return back here and refresh, we see that our new column is the first one. And we are now able to create an issue 1 testing. Also, we could drag and drop. And as we can see, our new column is functioning successfully and good. So yeah, this was the video about adding a new column to the Agile board, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. If you like, also you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube. If you have some questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.